To add your Monzo card to Google Wallet, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Google Wallet and that you have the latest version of the Google Pay app installed. You also need to have a Monzo account and a compatible Monzo card. First, open the Google Pay app on your device and sign in to your Google account if prompted. Tap the plus sign at the bottom right corner of the screen to start the process of adding a new card. Select Add a credit or debit card and choose the type of card you want to add. In this case, a debit card. Enter your Monzo card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. You can find these details on the back of your Monzo card or in the Monzo app. Confirm that the card details are correct and tap Next. You will then be asked to verify your card with Monzo. This is a security step to ensure that you are the owner of the card. You may receive a verification code by SMS or be asked to log into your Monzo account to confirm the addition of the card to Google Wallet. Once verified, you will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of adding your card to Google Wallet. Read through these carefully and tap Agree if you are happy to proceed. Your Monzo card will now be added to Google Wallet and you can use it to make contactless payments in stores, online, and in apps. You can also use Google Wallet to keep track of your spending and receive notifications when you make a purchase. It is a good idea to set up a secure lock screen on your device to protect your Google Wallet and prevent unauthorized access. You should also regularly review your transactions and contact Monzo or Google if you notice any suspicious activity. By following these steps, you can easily add your Monzo card to Google Wallet and start enjoying the convenience of contactless payments. Remember to always keep your device and account information secure to protect your financial information.